ఆవిడ మనం వేరే వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళాడు కాబట్టి దాని మీద అంత కట్టుకునేసి ఒక రూపాయలు పెట్టాలి.
చదివితే అగైన్ ఫైనల్ ట్రయల్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం.
మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో రికార్డ్ చేస్తాం మన క్లాస్
10 o'clock క్లాస్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ 1:30 క్లాస్. చదివితే అగైన్ ఫైనల్ ట్రయల్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం.
మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో రికార్డ్ చేస్తాం మన క్లాస్
10 o'clock క్లాస్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ 1:30 క్లాస్. చదివితే అగైన్ ఫైనల్ ట్రయల్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం.
మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో రికార్డ్ చేస్తాం మన క్లాస్
10 o'clock క్లాస్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ 1:30 క్లాస్. చదివితే అగైన్ ఫైనల్ ట్రయల్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం.
మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో రికార్డ్ చేస్తాం మన క్లాస్
10 o'clock క్లాస్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ 1:30 క్లాస్. చదివితే అగైన్ ఫైనల్ ట్రయల్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం.
మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో రికార్డ్ చేస్తాం మన క్లాస్
10 o'clock క్లాస్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ 1:30 క్లాస్. చదివితే అగైన్ ఫైనల్ ట్రయల్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం. 10 o'clock క్లాస్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ 1:30 క్లాస్. చదివితే అగైన్ ఫైనల్ ట్రయల్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం. 10 o'clock క్లాస్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ 1:30 క్లాస్. We'll try to play video. Welcome back to the series of lecture on microprocessor, microcontroller. Myself Raja Kishore, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Mary Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. So in our previous lectures we have seen different instruction set like data copy or a transfer instruction set, and arithmetic instruction set. So as a part of instruction set, this is the fourth part. In this part, we are going to be see a logical shift and rotate instructions. So let's go into the essential. So the first logical instruction is an AND instruction. So this AND instruction having syntax of AND destination and source. Okay, AND destination and source, where destination operand may be a register or a memory location. Similarly, the source operand may be a register or a memory or a immediate data. Okay. So again, when I am performing an AND operation, the result will be always stored into your destination results only. So for example, if you take move AX comma 3F0F and move BX comma 0008. So let's see an example how actually AND operation is going to be performed. Okay. So this is an instruction. I am writing a program. So this particular thing where I want to be performing an ANDing operation between two. So in general, we know that AND operation is nothing but it is some logical gate. It says that it produces its high output whenever both the inputs are in high state. Otherwise, it will produce as a low output. This is an AND logic gate will produce as. This is the truth table of an AND gate. So as per the rules of an AND gate, this is an information which is moving to the AX and BX. So the similar AND operation is going to be performed by the processor like 100, 100, and whenever I have both the inputs are same, I have producing a high input, otherwise 0. So this is an AND operation between two numbers. So this is about an AND gate, and when I am performing these AND gate, sometimes some of the flags may be affected, like parity flag or auxiliary carry flag. These flags may affect when I am performing these logical operations. The next type of an instruction is an OR instruction, and this is also follows the same syntax like OR, that is mnemonic, and source destination operand and the source operand. So similar manner, the destination operand may be a register or a memory location. Source operand may be a register or immediate data or a memory location. And this is an example where suppose you may have a doubt, sir, here how to use an immediate data in case of R. So if I want to write R, okay, if I have an example R AX comma 1 2 3 4 H. In this particular example, I want to be OR operation need to be performed between the two datas, which is one is an AX, another one is an immediate value. So it performs an OR operation. So how it will be performed? As usual, it knows the table of logical table of OR gate. What OR gate saying that? OR gate is a logical gate. It producing its output whenever if any one of the input is at high state. So if any one input is at high state, it is producing a logical output high, otherwise it produces 0. In other ways, we can define an OR gate like if both the inputs are 0, then it is producing 0 output, otherwise it produces 1 as an output. So according to this OR rules, these are the OR rules. According to the OR rules, if this processor going to be performing OR and it is producing its output. Then third one is a NOT operation. So as we know that NOT is a single, it can be used for the complement of the gate, or if you want to perform one's complement of the number, we'll prefer a NOT operation. So operand may be a register or a memory location. This instruction inverts the complement of content given in an operand, and result will be in the same operand, that is where whichever operand you are going to be mentioned. In this particular, immediate mode is not possible. Immediate mode is not possible. So if you take an example, OR gate is producing output when it is inverted as 1 0, 0 input is 1 is an output. So when I have written an example, NOT not AX, where AX data is 200F. So it is producing its output. This is just inverting the bits. Okay, this is about the logical OR gate operation. Then fourth one is okay, test. Okay, test. So this test is again a logical instruction. This what is a small difference between this logical AND and a logical test operation. It is also having a syntax like test, destination register, or so the both operands may be a register, memory, or an immediate data. That means the source or immediate to immediate data is not possible. This instruction performs by a bit logical AND operation for the flags only. That means only flags will be affected. What is the logical AND operation? As we see in the first, it will perform simple AND operation only. But when I am performing AND operation, the content of an accumulator won't be affected. That is, destination register won't be affected. It is having still its old data itself, whatever the number. But how do I know that it is performing an AND operation? It is performance of an AND operation is known by using only the flag registers. Okay, if the corresponding bit, zeroth bit is result contain 1, then the result will be non-zero and zero flag will be cleared for this particular bit. Okay, if the corresponding zeroth bit result contains 0, then the result will be the 0 and zero flag will be set. So this way this particular test instruction, logical instruction going to be performed. If we test AX comma BX, text immediate data comma register memory comma immediate data. So if you take an example, okay, so then we'll go for an rotate instruction. This RCR is again a 1 byte instruction. It is also known as a rotate right through carry. Each binary bit is operand is rotated towards the right bit by a position through a carry flag. Last significant. Welcome back to the series of lecture on microprocessor, microcontroller. Myself KISHORE, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Mary Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. So in our previous lectures, we have seen different instruction set like a data copy or a transfer instruction set and arithmetic instruction set. So as a part of instruction set, this is the fourth part. In this part, we are going to be see a logical shift and rotate instructions. So let's go into the essential. So the first logical instruction is an AND instructions. So this AND instruction having syntax of AND destination and source. Okay, AND destination and source, where destination operand may be a register or a memory location. Similarly, the source operand may be a register or a memory or a immediate data. Okay, so again, when I am performing an AND operation, the result will be always stored into your destination results only. So for example, if you take move AX comma 3F0F and move BX comma 0008. So let's see an example how actually. Hello, 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 hello. Instruction set of 8086. Program is a set of instructions equal to solve the problem. Instruction direction which processor follows the execution task, and the computer language is nothing but as we know that how we can able to write it like a high level or a low level language or a vision or a single level language or a binary source. These are the few things on the instruction set of 8086. Addressing modes. Addressing modes. हाय असना